All right, so I don't know if this is going to be a great idea or a really stupid idea, and you guys can maybe let me know what you think is going to happen to it. It seems like a good idea right now. I was in construction for like 30 years, and what made me think of this was snow locks, or I think there's a different term for it, but snow locks on steel roofs, metal roofs. And it anchors certain portions of the snow so that the whole roof of snow does not come flying down and land on somebody and kill them. So, what am I talking about? One of these. You guys, if you've done any landscaping, I'm sure you know what this is. This is for holding down those straw mats. So I was doing a little landscaping and trying to figure out how to correct an issue I had put in 3.5 years ago, and it just hasn't worked out. And I'll show you that product in just a second. As I was pulling the old ones out, this one is a new one, but as I was pulling the old ones out, I realized how hard it was to get those out. I had to put quite a bit of force on them to pull them out of this clay soil. So I thought, well, if snow locks do that, will these do that to the clay soil? What I have is a very steep little embankment, and I will also show you that in a moment. And it drops off at probably 45-degree angle. And because the top part of the lawn is relatively flat, I put a little pitch on it, but it's relatively flat. It kind of pushed out on the landscape edging that I had put, the lawn edging, and it didn't stay straight. And that's mostly due to the landscape edging problem. But I thought, okay, I'm going to put in a little more dirt. Put this down where you can see it a little better. I'm going to put in some more dirt, so I hauled around probably 4 or 5 wheelbarrow loads, packed it up, smoothed it out just a little bit from the landscape edging before I then dropped away. I ended up putting in probably about 30 of these. I spaced them every 2 foot or so, maybe 8 inches from the landscape edging. And then I had some left over, so then I put these some more between the other ones, but down the hill just slightly. So I'm thinking these will probably lock that clay soil in and keep everything from wanting to shift and move down and help hold the landscape edging in. That's my plan anyways. So I will show you the landscape edging that I would not recommend you buy, and I will show you my slope, and you guys can leave some comments and tell me what you think this is going to do, and I hope it really works. If I remember, I'll try to post back and do a follow-up on this and see if this actually was a brilliant idea or just a stupid waste of money and time. So this is the stuff that I did put in. Goes up vertical. Didn't work worth a crap. Look at how nice and straight that is. What a wonderful product. If you're thinking about buying this, definitely run away from it. Oh yeah, I think it's at least a 45-degree, and it sort of changes down there a little bit at that end. But this is right along this edging is where I put these landscape staples in, or these fabric staples in. So we'll see what it does. We'll see if it holds, and I will hopefully be able to let you know.